up in the front of the waterfall there's all ice all around the edges, but the water keeps flowing. There's a current inside each and every one of us, that even where we're frozen and afraid and stuck, there's still a current that grows through us that's longing to be expressed. Here at the center, we want to have a sheltering space for you to come, like a sheltering tree, to come and find out what it is that you need to help you grow from that place again, to nourish and nurture that part of you, so that strength that's inside you can come through to meet your challenges. Life's challenging for everybody. Those challenges are here for us to grow through. As we grow through them, we become who we really are. May each and every one of us become who we really are from deep inside.